Hi my dear students, once again welcome to our online classes. Students, we already finished our second chapter, that is Earth. Now it's time for completion of our exercise part, that is in workbook. Okay, so how much we have learned from the second chapter Earth? Once again we will go through our exercise part and we will check our knowledge, how much we have gained from this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Everyone ready? Very good. Open all of your workbook and read with me, and we will solve every questions. So first question is, the second chapter is Earth, and about Earth we have all discussed. Now we will go for our question answer. Okay, first question is given, see carefully. Is it true? Writes yes or no, means is it true, we have to write is it true, right? Yes or no. The question is given, we have to write whether the question is yes or true or false. So we have to write yes or no. So first question is the Earth, already given Earth. First question is a star? So we have to write yes or no, means already the whole question is all about the Earth. Okay, on the basis of Earth. So question is given, first the Earth is a star. Is it correct? Can anyone tell me? Very good. Earth is not star, it is a planet. So it is answer is no. So he is given already, we have to put yes or no. So Earth is not a star. So Earth is, answer is no. So Earth is a planet and Sun is a star. So question number 2, Earth is a planet. Very good, it is a planet. Question is, answer is yes. Okay, third question is, question number 3, Earth moves up the down and down in the sky. No, Earth cannot move up down in the sky. Okay, so answer is no. Means here already Earth is given, here only dash is given. We have to go through with the Earth only for every question. Okay, so question number 4 is given, Earth spins on its axis. Very good, it is correct. Yes or no? Yes, correct. So Earth spins means rotates. We already have learnt about Earth. Earth rotates on its axis and revolve around the Sun. Okay. So question number B, Earth travels around the moon. No, it is never ever. So it is, answer is no. Question number 6, Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to rotate once. No, it is no, answer is no, because Earth cannot, it did not take 365 days and 6 hours to rotate once. Okay, so it answer is no. So question number 7, Earth has more water and less land. Earth has more water and less land. Correct answer. So we can write yes, because Earth has more water, less land. 71% water we have learnt. Question number 8, Earth has one natural satellite called moon. Earth has one natural satellite called moon. Yes or no? Yes, very good. It is yes. Earth has one natural satellite, that is called moon. Correct answer. So we have to write yes. Question number 6, Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once. Very good, it is correct. So we have to write yes. See here dash is given, that means I am taking Earth here. Okay, already common Earth already given on the top. We have to go every question with the Earth only. So Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once. It is correct. Question number 10, Earth is triangular in shape. Is it correct? Who will say? Very good, it is. Answer is no, because Earth is round in shape like orange. Next question, that is 11th question. 11th question is, Earth appears blue from space. Earth appears blue from space. Answer is yes or no? Yes, very good. Because we have learned earth looks like blue from space because it's full of maximum part is full of water, so it's from space it looks like blue. Okay, so first question number first is finished. So everything you have to write yes or no. Now we will come to for long answer question or describe question, that is question number 2. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. We have to write the answer of the following questions. What did Ferdinand Magellan do to prove that the earth is round? What did, once again I repeat, what did Ferdinand Magellan do to prove that earth is round? So what he did, I told you. So Ferdinand Magellan planned to circumnavigate, means go around the earth to prove that earth is round. Means they went with the 270 crew members, okay, with ships, okay, 5 ships, and they want to prove that the earth is round. And see here, that only I told you previous classes, okay. And Ferdinand Magellan 270 crew member and 5 ships, they went like this. You see how they went. This is the area they rounded like that, okay. And this is the Ferdinand Magellan circumnavigate of the world. This is the Magellan died here died, okay. And after that they circumstance they moved around the ocean and proved that earth is round, okay. First person. So Ferdinand Magellan planned to circumnavigate to go around the earth to prove that earth is round, okay. This is the answer. Next question number 2. What is horizon? Why do you think we see this? I told you, a place where the sky seems to meet the land or sea is called horizon. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or sea is called horizon. Because why do you think we see this? Why it seems like this? Because the earth is round in shape, so its edges seems to meet the sky from long distance. When you will, I told you already these things, when you will look a very large distance from long distance, after you will see that the sky is meet the land, because earth is our round in shape. So when you will look forward a long distance, then you will seems that the sky from the sky edges seems to meet the, means land edges meet to the sky from long distance, okay. Because of this, from long distance when you are seeing, observing, it will looks like this, okay. That part is called horizon. Means you can see that earth, the sky and the earth, they are meeting at a point. Means you will think that after some distance the earth will be finished, but it's not never ever like that, okay. You can see when you are outside, you just look at forward and look at very long distance, you will see that earth is finished after that building or that houses. You will think like that, but it is looks like that, but it's not never ever like that, okay. Because our earth is round in shape, there is no ending place, okay. So next question we will go. Once again I repeat, the place where the sky seems to meet the land or sea is called horizon. Why do you think we see this? Because the earth is round in shape, so its edges seems to meet the sky from long distance, okay. So we will go for next question, that is, see carefully. Name the two poles of the earth, okay. Two poles of the earth, that is, who will say? Very good. One is north pole and south pole, okay. Top position or top ends is called north pole and down position is called south pole or down part. This is the north pole top position, this is the down position or top side, and this is the bottom side, okay. This is north, top is north, down is south, okay. So north pole, south pole. What is an axis? And we have that black color line is called axis. That means an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth and connect the two flat ends are called axis. Once again I repeat students, an imaginary line that passes through the center of the earth and connects the two flat end called axis. See, that is the imaginary line passes through the center of the earth and connect two flat end. Two flat is, one is north pole and another is south pole. This is the two flat end. So that imaginary line connect two flat end of the earth. That line is called axis. Means that straight black line is called axis. Okay, it is passing through the center of the earth. Understood student? That is called axis. Now question number B, what is an orbit? What is orbit? Who will say? All planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path is called orbit. And I already mentioned and I already have told you what is orbits. See, this is the center is sun is there, red color sun is there, and around the sun see many lines are there. Means 8 planets are there. One line, different color lines are there. These lines are called orbits. I told you, see. So all planets revolve around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. See, this is the sun. Around the sun, all planets, Earth, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Mars, Venus. So all the planets are moving around the sun in a fixed path. See, these are the fixed path. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the fixed path. Means they are not changeable. Okay. So this fixed path is called orbit. In this orbit, the all planets moving around the sun on their own orbit. Okay. This is the Neptune orbit. Means this is the Neptune lines or orbit we can say. Only Neptune will move around the sun on this orbit. This is the Saturn orbit. The Saturn will move on their own orbit. Uranus, this is the Uranus orbit. Only Uranus will be moved. This is the Earth orbit. Only that is a yellow color orbit. Only Earth will be revolve around the sun on their own orbit. Okay, so they all 8 planets have their own orbit. Okay, how we have there a specific path to go Central Bus Stand, to go to go Bangalore, to go Solapur. Like this, all the planets have their own orbit to revolve around the sun. So this is called orbit. Understood students? Now we will be write the difference between two axis and orbit. What is the axis and what is the orbit? We will now different it. Means different. What do you mean by axis? What do you mean by orbit? So axis, I said you, it is an imaginary line but a straight. Okay, it is an imaginary line but it is straight. That is, see, it is an imaginary line but it is a straight. That is called axis. But what is orbit? Look at it. See, it is an imaginary line but it is elliptical. Means egg like structure. See, it is egg like structure. That is mean elliptical. Understood? It is a straight, it is a elliptical, means egg like structure. Second point is earth rotated on its axis. I told you that earth only rotated on its axis, means on their axis. In that axis earth will be rotated. So like this, see, once example I will show you. If it is, think it is a earth. Okay, it is a center. In the center it is a line that is passing. So now it will move like this on its axis. How? See how it will be moving. See, on its axis. This is called earth is moving on its axis. Understood? So this is called on axis. Like earth is moving its own axis, means on that line only. Okay, so that is called axis. Now earth, what is orbit? Earth revolve around its orbit. Okay, so earth is first of all earth is moving around, rotated on its own axis. Along with earth also, what is doing? Earth also revolve around its orbit. See, this is our earth. See here, this is our earth. This is our earth. It is revolving around the sun also. Same time that earth is rotating on its axis, on the same time also earth is revolving around the axis, around the sun, revolve around the sun, so that is called orbit, on their own orbit. Understood? This is difference between axis and orbit. So now we will come to next question. Give one word answer. Question number 3, give one word answer, that is earth orbits this star. Earth orbits this star is sun, means earth orbit means earth is revolve around the sun. The earth does this on its orbit is called revolution. Earth does this on in its orbit, means earth revolve around the sun, revolution, this is called revolution. The earth does this on its axis is called rotation, means earth when earth rotate on its own axis. Okay, now they live on land. They live on land. Who? Humans or peoples, that is you can say peoples and animals also, they live on lands. Question number 5, the part of the earth not facing on the sun experiences means the part which are not facing on the earth is called night time. Okay, means light is not coming to the earth, that is called night. Most of the earth is covered by this water. We know all this answer, all of you, because most of the earth is covered by water. Okay, now question number 4, billions of humans live on planet earth. Correct, billions of humans living on the planet earth. The planet also belongs to the other living things like plants and animals. Correct also, means he is telling billion of peoples, means human beings are also living on the earth, animals also living on the earth, plants also living on the earth. We all know about this. Now the question is telling the actions that will help in saving planet earth. Put tick, he is telling put tick the actions that will help in saving planet earth. Okay, now some question is given, we have to put tick which is correct for saving of our earth planet, how we can save our planet. So that question we have to put tick, or a remaining question which is not correct for our saving planet earth we will put wrong. Okay, so now we will go for one by one question. Chopping trees, is it will save our earth? No, so we will put wrong. Chopping means we will cut our trees, so it cannot save the earth, so we have to plantation more trees, so it is correct, wrong answer. Now question number 2, mixing fertilizer in soil, it is no, it cannot save our planet earth, so it is wrong. Mixing fertilizer means different types of fertilizer we will use to grow the plants, so it is not good, so we have to put wrong. Using less electricity, it is also correct for saving of our earth. How? Now how much we will save our electricity, we will use less water also, you will less coal also. When we will go for a higher study we come to know. Okay, more walking and cycling, it is also correct. Through this we can save our earth. How? Through away from the pollution. Okay, generating more garbage means dust, dustbin you will use, dust means waste product, so it is cannot save, so it is wrong answer. Traffic jam, it cannot save our earth, so it is wrong answer. Planting more trees, it is very important. If you will plant more tree, then it will save our earth also, it is very correct answer. Recycling things, if you will recycle means if I will use this, then after some damage also I can recycle it, I can reproduce it, I can make a new sharpener, so this is called recycling things, so it is correct also. Through this we can save our earth, so it is a correct answer. So littering freshwater bodies, littering means we should put waste or waste material to fresh water bodies, it is not good, it cannot save the water body, so it cannot save our planet earth, so it is wrong. So using less plastic, it is also correct answer. if you will use less plastic, it will save our planet indirectly. Okay, earth. So these are the questions. Some question is given which can save our earth, which cannot save our planet earth. So we have all discussed. See very carefully. So now we will come to question number 5. Draw and color a picture of the earth. Draw and color a picture of the earth. You have to draw and color a earth. Label north pole, south pole and axis. Okay. So student, I will tell you, everyone, this is your work. You have to draw a earth like this, and you have to put color like this also, and you have to mention north pole, south pole and axis. How it is given exactly you have to draw in this box only. So this is your work. Understood, students? I hope all of you understood very clearly, and write down all the question answer in your workbook and practice it. Next time I will ask everyone. So thank you very much, students. Take care.